Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to increase and change render distance Minecraft. You will open Minecraft to see the main menu, which you access by pressing the escape key. You will click on video settings. Now in the field render distance, drag the bar to the desired level for your Minecraft. Click on done. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.